I went from being a criminal, a felon, a gang member, to now just being a human being.
I've had my days where I felt like I'm just gonna be couch hopping forever. If we have to take our power back, that's not how the story ends. I'm not gonna allow it to end like that.
I was homeless, and I would always wonder, like, why am I working and homeless at the same time?
I think people think homelessness is a choice, and I don't think anybody would want to go through all of the situations that someone who's unhoused goes through. We saw the Eaton fires and the Palisades fire. Those people became homeless overnight. You know, sometimes it's just, at this point, you're one check away from maybe paycheck away from becoming homeless.
Wow.
And so there's different variables and reasons why people are experiencing homelessness. There is a couple at our Iris House, which is an interim housing location, and they are TAY, which is transitional age youth. So that means that they were, young adults when they entered into the system. And just by circumstance, family situations, they were forced to leave their homes, live in parks, so they were living in tents. They got connected to Union Station Homeless Services, where they were housed at Iris House. And their story is just phenomenal because what they felt they couldn't accomplish before, they're able to accomplish now, like getting their GED, getting their identification, start looking for jobs. And it's amazing to see just the power of transformation, when you have a place to call home. You can see a huge weight lifted off their shoulders. They are just so happy to know that tomorrow they're going to still be in this place that they can call theirs, and a place that they can call home.
Hi, Venice. What does home mean to you?
To me, home means safety and stability.
Home means a comfortable and safe space.
Home means a refuge where I can truly be myself.
I think the warmth that things like sofas, side tables, provides an actual space for them when they were living in a dorm, right? Where they only had a bed. Just being able to kind of decorate and choose kind of gives you that sense of, this is mine. I can do this. I can place this here. No one's going to tell me to move it, and I can move it whenever I want to move it. I can dress it the way I want to dress it. This is mine. My feet are planted here. It's very important for companies like SICOTAS to partner with, nonprofit organizations. Is just basically to help someone make their home theirs. To have furniture is huge when maybe you didn't come from having anything besides a bed to call your own.
How many families have you guys helped so far?
Oh my goodness, that's a great question. A lot.
Countless, 50 years.
Yeah, so there are a ton. Off the top of my head, I can't really give you a complete answer because there's so many. But the good thing about our services and our programs is that once you are housed, we do still provide services a year after. So you're not just dropped off at home and then we're like, bye. We do like to ensure that once you're placed, that you're able to really reach self-sufficiency and self-stability.
Oh wow, that's so great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for doing this interview with us. I really appreciate it.
No, thank you.
Thank you, SICOTAS, for your donation. We're really excited for the people here to receive our furniture.